Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can uncap FPS in Dota 2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go on settings, then go on video, and then select as you can see here, advanced settings, and then here under the size, make sure that your native size is selected, and also with your maximum amount of hertz right here. If your monitor holds 240, make sure it's 240, not 120, etc. Right? And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you can close Dota 2. And then first, what I suggest to do here is to right click on Dota 2, go to properties, and then here just write plus FPS underscore max and 0. This will uncap your FPS. If for some reason FPS is not capped, and I forgot to mention that in game, in Dota 2 game, make sure to turn off VSync, because sometimes it can mess up with your FPS. And then go to display settings. Then on display settings, scroll down a bit until you see advanced display. Then make sure the right monitor is selected, and then maximum amount of hertz is selected here. And then if you have NVIDIA control panel, right click, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. If you have an EMD, maybe something similar to this, but I really don't know. You just need to change resolution, then select the maximum amount of hertz here. Then go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit until you see max frame rate. Make sure it's off because we set up frame rate in game. Then make sure preferred refresh rate is selected highest available. And then here VSync is off, super important. If your screen is not tearing apart, you should not use VSync. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.